Indo, I want to you. I want to know coolie boy. Yes, it's a pleasure. And to big up everybody in attendance at my pre-birthday event. And it's something that the prison couldn't prevent. I'm free. Thank you. 2025.
Okay.
I realize.
Alright.
Yeah, but big up everybody who forward. You don't know me say some long time brethren and family. I see some new people. Big up on yourself. Carla, my G, love how you organize the event as usual. As how she organize Freedom Street. Get around and hop I big up my brother TJ. Let's see him.
TJ?
Shalam, man. Shalam. 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 Yeah, bro, he's not listening, I'm listening. If you big up, we see a old skull, the whole family there, TJ. Chris Steinman, we see her. Lisa Hyper. Skatta, what's Skatta there? The man that get the first suck your mother for you. Big up my brother Skatta. And big up Popcaan. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. Happy birthday to the king of dancehall Vybz, Kartel, Adija Palmer. Today you turned 49. As you can see in the previous video, my big up TJ, my big up Skatta, my big up Popcaan. No, I didn't see Popcaan. We didn't even see TJ either. But he make sure to remind Skatta say, yeah, he my first somebody will get the first SYM for the year. Whatever they do, Kartel or something else, you know. Well, obviously, I try to keep the peace between the two of them. You understand? And none of them can tell none of them to tap chat to none of them. You know, big up by Earth Strong, One Gaza Nation. But we have a next clip to get into with Shalam and Skatta and Popcaan and the whole Freedom Street fight. So before we get into that, if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, please. Leave a comment and share. Yeah, man, we see right here. So with Vybz Kartel, I'm going to have a celebration later on tonight down at Mecca Club Mecca. I don't know, say him always have straight vibes Wednesdays, but tonight I'm just celebrating party with him and his friends and his family and his fiance, I assume. So if you're in the vicinity, make sure you pull up, take a few pictures for me and you, take a shot, and wish him happy birthday for me. Yeah, man, big up Gaza Boss. Also, I saw this on Instagram. Look like Kartel drop a new song. If you copyright easy, me only go give you 8 seconds there, so check this out.
Who make it wrong?
This around and no boring. It make ugly girl look like pretty darling.
To view the full video, head on over to Vybz Kartel's YouTube channel and check it out. I guess it's a promo for his song. I mean, not his song. For his rum, his Straight Vibes rum. It's a TC and you know the Gaza crew in that. But the other day, you remember when Skatta went on the fix and said that in carry Popcaan underneath the stage, thump him up and disrespect him privately and yada yada yada. And then when Popcaan post on Twitter and say, well, him say if any man diss him, them a go, you know, unalive or whatever. So then Skatta mock him and I say, well, I guess me is a woman. Shalam come forward and say nothing no go so. I say they have video proof. So Skatta I tell lie. So me did have a conversation yesterday and I said to somebody, at one time I was like, I don't even know, but I remember somebody mentioned something under one of my comment section and the person say like when me I say, "Oh, don't believe who I tell lie." Somebody say they have piece of Skatta locks. And me I say, really? They said they tear up piece of Skatta locks. So Shalam come now and say they have video proof, and me feel like Skatta come and talk that because he just don't want no other artists can try and this him beat him up. So he just have to try to make it, you know, look much and for no make it look weak and just come and say him beat him. Me Shalam say Skatta barely touch him, so probably he do get one punch or one like a tiny wincy punch and him and him just floor him. But don't come on TV and make it look like yeah you beat him up. You understand? But anyway, don't believe me. Check this out. This is what Shalam had to say.
They kill him! Yeah! Listen, we can't believe the big man to buckler the boss. So laugh from a Merry Christmas, if you never are happy New Year, whatever it is, and no say money account. They give a fuck. You see money in front of you. Much money in front of him, on millions of dollars. You worry about suck your mother. Her mother in a surgery. And money that will do your mother surgery. That would have boots up your market because do your mother surgery. No, tell me about my mother. Me kill him. What's the devil? What? Are you choking at me, man? All the children are me, man. You know, me, man. I'm supposed to I told you always, you have pumped too much weight, I better cut down, you have pumped too much weight. I want this to consider when I pump them, but I give them more higher to pump it up. Come here, you go, pa fix a talk about you have a healthy. You tell man have a healthy, bitch, you thump. I think a blood clot karate here, so you hear me and say, hiya, you say a gunshot, man, I get per internet. Imagine a real life. You think about at the time you come to look on with you, and blood clot, you are martial art, you go to kickboxing, and come out of dance hall. You think a bumper clot karate, but you are man, one man have a fit do kicking. I think when I time we don't kickbacks and I thump with you. What kind of generation they live in that? Can I get a bumper class here World War III come? You think you punch, but I can punch in your face. Me say man, hey, mommy, tell me, mommy, why? You're killing mommy. Come on, get a hold of yourself, man. Get a hold of yourself, man. Get a hold of yourself. You don't have money no more. You can't have success. It's a more man to bang back. That was serious. He more than millions you have in front of you. They are caught up. You are talk about you worry about suck your mother. SYM. I talk about man. Yeah, but man. Something else you have man. You can tell me something my mother will miss the millions in front of me and me feel away. I'll give you my life. You could have done it you want. You could have thump out, man. You be top the line. You know, you could have chuck and break your neck. You see, remember that right? Let me tell you Listen, me never see nothing like this. Never open the work it out. I'm gonna try that again, you know. But I try that again. I tell you. I see man go with them did it on stage, man, you see what I hot hell. You know only gang did it. You know I always think I like time my time, man. Instead of a wait for man come around the side, me saying like in car all in the more. I spring, me say my boy spring. Me say with the blood clot this. I Olympics, me say when I time me look how that me think you know me think honest to God. Me think is a big fan of Popcaan, jump up on stage and choke off. That me think is a big fan of annually choke off and I say, you know, can you know you have some man run go on stage and choke. You know choke like when me look to pussy clad. That's what I wake up. This is a big job. This is what I want to hear him. In blood pressure. Me say my blood pressure gone up. He man can't hold it to pussy clap. Me say what this? Me pussy, me never seen nothing like this. He man want to fuck up in that show to pussy clap. Me never see. He man blood pressure gone. He man can't hold the blood pressure. Me say everything is a fan. A fan. Me not even say a man. Me say it's a woman. Because me know the woman is suicidal nowadays, you know. I choke off I got it, because I want to, you know. And me look to pussy clap. My boy they from me have to say what this control no feelings man. Cause you can't want to do that for your man till you go suck your mother in a modern days bro. Modern days bro. But people tell you suck your mother for good man in a good man in that family. You look at the man do the first thing your mother tell you suck your mother. You go do that with the first you pray for me. I tell you. All a madman go kill you. You go look at a madman with waist. And then I say, boy, I got suck your mother, you're going to shoot him and end up a prison. I'm not be more conscious than that, my lad. You know, you're not a different vengeance you're not carrying. If you come down. You can't tell me some man in the party. And you have millions of dollars account up in front of you. And you know what the worst thing about it? You go on the internet and talk one bag of fuckery. I remember some man like call me did it on a hot tile, me say. I remember say hot tile, me say, you know, a hot tile fried chicken, you know. And me see fuckery, a man like me love fuckery. Me, you know me. I watch for see if I really, me think you're going to laugh you off, you know, but you see a thump up a man face. And then sitting there and, tell you, man. You not even touch him, you barely touch, you chuck off a man and the man you miss. And the man here you grab and a few year, me end up sit on the stage. You antenna them. They sitting them, bro. You just know, say you do fuck, you just say you do fuck you and come down, man. Cause fuck you do. Hot tile, you know, man, you know, say hot tile, you know, say hot tile. Look, you say bumbuckler, me I tell you from. Cause I suicide that mission in the pan, you choke, we are choke. A spring. Me look, me don't see you disappear, me don't see where you turn. Bama Friday on the stage and the whole of man go with them. The man just, the man they see the man and the man they, hey fam, hey me I tell you the truth, big up bumbuckler and all the gang. Me know so I saw them man there. Me tell you something, me say papi I go to no left him. I some mad bumbuckler man, me say me day night, I some mad man them. Big up the whole like native them. Big up the whole like go with them, and me love for them and whole off the end back, you can't go near him man. Me I tell you man, he untouchable man. I tell you, man, you untouchable, man. Nobody try, man. None of you know in the world, man. I tell you. And I first me ever go power and blood clot. Anything there with them, I tell you, say.
Guys, do you think this is proof that Skatta lied? Did Popcaan lie? Me said the man about a piece of Skatta locks. But tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. That's it for now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.